Dr. Monte here with Geek Rehab. I'm going to show you an exercise that is to help basically your rotator cuff of your hips. All right, rotator cuff of your hips. So typically everybody understands the rotator cuff is in their shoulder. Well, what it does is it helps stabilize the shoulder. So what do we do to stabilize the hip? It's the same ball and socket joint in the hip as it is in the shoulder. So you need stabilizer muscles in the hips. So I got a great killer exercise for you that helps the hip internal and external rotators, which is the stabilizers, in addition to strengthening your core. All right, it's going to get this rock solid in addition to your hips. So it's a really good core exercise because it's hitting your abs and your hips. All you need is a band. I bet you're wondering why I got this band around my knees. You need a band and a ball. So any ball will do that's about 8 inches. I wouldn't go any bigger than a basketball. So soccer ball, volleyball, basketball if needed, or one of these nice bouncy balls you can get at a dollar store. All right, so let me show you what that looks like. All right, you get down, lay down on your back. We're going to start off with the band around your knees and the ball between your ankles or your feet, okay, wherever you can hold it the best. And it's critical you get your hips in 90 degrees, your knees in 90 degrees, all right, so you're 90, 90. And then what you're doing here is you squeeze the ball and pull the band apart. All right, this is working your hip external rotators. And you don't need to get a lot of motion. I could actually get this band tighter and have no motion, just isometrically squeezing the muscles, and that would work as well. All right, so your abs are tight, my abs are tight, and you're working these rotators, squeezing the ball, pulling the band apart, okay, just like that. And you do as many as you can. A lot of people struggle with just being able to do 10 of them. So, and that's okay. You get 10, that's good. You get 5, that's good. You got to start somewhere. All right, now we'll work the hip internal rotators. So same position, but now we switch the ball and the band, as you can see. And now we're squeezing the ball again and pulling the band apart. Okay, just like that. Hitting the abs, hitting the hips. Working them both, getting that core nice and tight. Okay, so very simple, the ball and the band exercise. That's all you need. Go to it.